how to use Smartsheet on a situation that we have to help you here, guys. First of all, that is about be satisfied for going on with a very important levels. That is ready to be satisfied with a very going to be about the continuous sides that we are going to have it on our section. Still to be ready navigating with a very good levels that we have it on our progress. That is still to be right here, guys. So my opinion. So what we can do is about right now here to create a template starting with, actually about to go for report for a sheet or a template, about to add columns, tasks, data and ownership like this. Okay, and then we assign tasks and track progresses in real time, collaborate, automate reporting using bolded tools. So that is actually everything that you can do on Smartsheet, like also creating anything like template and anything like this. That is all about.